Hey, this is Lynette Bledsoe from the LynetteBledsoe.net, and I am coming to you live, guys, from my home office here in Texas. And today we are going to be unboxing a very mysterious Urbane box that came to me. So stay tuned and let's see what this one's all about. Okay, guys, so most of you guys know, if you saw my last video on Urbane Box, and I will put their last video up on somewhere up there, I will put that up for you guys. I actually canceled this subscriptions box. So when this came in the mail, it was funny because I made my husband go to the mailbox before he came in the house from work, and I was like, you probably, because he also gets subscription boxes. So if you want to check out some subscription boxes for men, definitely look for Gary Bledsoe on YouTube. He does his subscription boxes, so just for the men peeps, because he would have no idea and I would have no idea on how his subscription boxes would work. So I take care of mine and the kids. He does the men ones. So anyway, I told him, I said, hey, you probably have a subscription box in the mail, because it says something, there's a package there. So he went and he came home and he was like, it's from Urbane Box. And I was like, that's weird, because I actually cancel them, and if you look at the last video, you'll see why I canceled them. When I started Urbane Box, my husband had like 2 different fashion subscription boxes that he had. And I was like, you know what, this is cool, because I want to kind of avoid the whole hustle and bustle of going to the mall, because sometimes when you go to the store as a woman, I don't know about you guys, you can get overwhelmed with everything that's in there. You end up going for just one thing, and you come home with like $100 worth of stuff that you didn't need. So I work from home, so every day I don't need to, dress up. Most of the times I'm just in a t-shirt and shorts. So I don't need to wear makeup. I don't need to be dressed up every day. However, when I go out with the family, I do want to look decent. I'm more of a jeans and t-shirt and sneakers kind of person, but I'm kind of wanting to upgrade my fashion closet, my walk-in closet, if you can say. So I was looking for women's subscription boxes, but I kind of did not like the ones that were out there like Stitch Fix and Trunk Club, because I didn't like the fact that they would send you a whole bunch of stuff, of course, kind of like at the store, that you would love everything and you end up having to return things that you don't want, and having to have a bill if you wanted to keep everything of like $200 to $300. That was not my goal. My goal was to increase my closet little by little every month. So that's what I'm wearing right now, this blouse and this cardigan. This blouse, I love the color, and what's crazy is I never would have purposely, or I would have never myself gone out and bought a shirt like this. And if you watch my last video, it's another subscription box that I have. It's called Luxury Divas. They actually sent me both the blouse and the cami. And I don't even own a lot of things in red, and I actually like the way that this color looks on me. So it's crazy that I don't have a lot of things in red, but I like it. So I like to fill up my closet little by little. So I was looking for subscription boxes that was just one price, and I didn't mind if I didn't like it, because I have a 17-year-old, well, she'll be 18 soon, but I have a 17-year-old daughter, and I could have given her whatever I didn't like, and maybe we could have just swapped or whatever the case. But so I was looking for one price subscription boxes. So right now I currently have 2, and I'll put the video for both within the description if you guys are curious. Right now I have my fashion crate, which sends me clothes, and I have Luxury Divas at the moment of this video. That's what I have right now, because those are just one price subscription boxes, and you get like a ton of things within that box. But Urbane Box, I love the concept of the clothing that they had on Instagram, but at the point of this video, to me, their clothes are more so, I need an extra large because I'm top heavy, just at my chest area. So I can't fit a large because of the way that my body is shaped. So I always have to go for the extra large. And some subscription boxes, they don't have those extra sizes, because a lot of those clothes, especially like with my fashion crate, they run a little small. So you kind of have to go up that one. For some things, you do have to increase that size one size bigger. So I don't think, in my opinion, Urbane Box is at the point at the time of this video where they've mastered the women's line. My husband has gotten a ton of clothes, well, a few outfits from them, and he actually liked it, so they definitely rocked it. And I'll put their information below if your husband or maybe you want to check out to see what outfits, what kind of clothes that they have. And I did a lot of research on YouTube, so I kind of was seeing what other people were finding, and that's how I kind of found Urbane Box at the very beginning. It was my very first subscription box. So enough with the dramatics, but that was my experience with Urbane Box. So I'm definitely appreciative to this, what's in this bag, but again, at the time of this video I did cancel that subscription box because I do have 2 active subscription boxes that work best for me. So let me see. So I want to give them the benefit of the doubt. So let me see what's in this box, and this is for April. And the cool thing about Urbane Box is that they allow you to send the products back for free. So I've never had a problem with exchanges. They take care of the cost. You just print, you let them know you need to exchange something, and they'll send you a tracking label. You print it, send it back, and it's totally, that's what's in here. So one of the items that comes in each package is a priority mailbox. So if you have to send things back, you totally can. And I'm definitely going to try these items out. I'm going to give them the benefit of the doubt. So the very first thing here, it looks to be, this is like a royal blue. So let me see what this one looks like, and I will definitely try them on. So this is the very similar blouse that came to me last month. It was maroon, and let me see, I'll definitely try this on. Like I said, I'm gonna give them the benefit of the doubt. So this is very pretty. So that is one item, and then the next item here is this item, and this is blue. It's a lighter blue than the one that's there. So the blouse is more so like if you were going out. This one is probably more casual, and that's kind of what I'm looking for too. So this is a little bit more casual, which it looks very nice. So this is a little bit more casual, and I will definitely try them on, and stay tuned so that I can share with you guys how it looks. Okay, guys, this one feels perfect. So if you can see there, it feels perfect. I have my jeans on, actually have my flip-flops. The only problem with this shirt, and again, everything here feels perfect. However, for some reason, the lining here is not actually up here where it should be. So it's like in the middle of my arm. So I'm not too sure if that's a me problem or a shirt problem, but it's not like crazily unbearable. It's just a weird stitching of the way that this shirt fits. So maybe it's supposed to be like your shirt is supposed to be up here and then this moves up further. But again, it's very comfortable. This I can definitely rock. Here in Texas, it's getting a little warmer, so I can rock this for a little bit more time. But this one, I would say I would wear it. So this is fine. I definitely give them a thumbs up on this one. Let's try the next one and see how it looks. Okay guys, so we're back. So unfortunately I can't, I'm not able to try on this blouse because similar to like the last Urbane box that I did, the blouses run low, and I'm sorry, they run small. So that just could, these clothes are made by the company, which again, the quality is awesome. So if they had a larger size, extra large is the largest size that they can go. So, you know, maybe if, and I'm putting the shirt away, so maybe if their products went up a size higher, where an extra large, maybe I need a 2X, but the problem is not the quality, it's just the way that the clothes are made. It seems to be just smaller. I wear extra large basically with everything. Sometimes I can wear a large in some things that run a little bit too big, but for some reason the extra large for this company, it just doesn't fit right. And the same thing with that last shirt, the lining of You see, if you look at this blouse, the lining of the shoulder lining here, it starts here. For some reason, the lining of both of those shirts were like around here. So again, it could be me, and I'm giving them the benefit of the doubt. Again, the quality of the clothing is fine. It wasn't for me. So with that being said, do you guys get a Urbane box? How has your experience been? Maybe because I'm an extra large, it just doesn't quite fit my body type. And again, it just could be for me. But have you guys tried any other fashion subscription boxes? So I'll definitely put the ones that I have active at this point of this video. And so far, like I said, it's Luxury Divas and My Fashion Crate. Those have been phenomenal for me. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of the day and stay tuned because we have a ton of videos on this channel. If you dig videos like this, definitely subscribe and let me know what you guys think. What did you guys think of the quality of the clothing or the clothes that came in that box? Would you get something like that? If you were looking for a fashion subscription box, just let me know. But we will definitely see you on the next video, guys. Stay tuned.